So guys, ito yung part 2 namin. So kinat ko lang para di mabibideo natin. So ito nga yung part 2 natin sa kanyang upper limb again. So kaya ko in-upload to na nagdala ko ng 20 counts. So magiging 100 counts equivalent to 5 sets yung kanyang upper arm such as yung kanyang pataas at paharap, paikot, and reverse. So ito namin gagawin ngayon naming warm-up exercises therapeutic kay stroke patients, Jerwin po naman. So watch nyo po, especially yung mga stroke dyan, pwede nyo pong makapulot ng konting aral, dahan-dahan lang po. Huwag nyo bibiglayin yung mga muscle, baka mapulot yung fiber ng mga muscle mo. Again, watch nyo po din yung aming part 2 for 100 per sets for every exercises of upper limb. Isip lang guys, tabi. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So, last two sets. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Hold.
20.
So, ito sinabi na 100 hours, 5 sets. Mataas. So, yun yung pag-prod naman. So, 5 sets. 100 hours. Di ba rin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. Okay? Position.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Insets. Inset. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay. Insets. Let's go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Relax. So guys, tapos na namin yung front. Okay? So, next set namin, third set. Third namin exercises yung rotation. So, same, 5 sets, and 100 counts. And then reverse, same then. So, ito yung exercises sa mga ball socket, hinge joints, mga joints ni exercise ko. Ang nilaban ito, ang benefit ng mga joints niya para di mag-lock. At properly, magamit ang gumalaw ng gusto ng mga body parts as the instructions. Yeah. So, what's your point? Yung aming gagawin na pwede pa lang. Ready ba? Sure. Ready ba? Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ready for 7 sets? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Prepare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Prepare. 4 sets. Station.
Ito, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 1 Ilan sets? Listen.
Ano?
Cloud.
Edition ah. Apa na eh? Hindi na to. Tapos, bastos na. Nasa to. Prepare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, guys, pag yung record in the release ko na. So then, this is 5 sets, 100 counts per program.
Wala ko na.
Oh, so guys, mga first set to the goal station. So, yan, last portions po tayo yan. Subscribers yan. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Two sets, rotation reverse. So, madali niyo pong na-execute yung exercise natin since na-execute na develop. Yan. So, nagagawa ko na maigi, relax na. So, yung develop na yung joints and muscle mo. So, yung activities yan. So, wala na pala kasi si Jerry. So, wala na ito ng pangalawa. Joints and muscle. Okay? Balik. Tama. Exhale. Relax. Relax. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Prepare. Position. Oh, that's it. Kaya guys, tapos na yung mga yung upper limbs. So, na gawa ni stroke patients namin yung challenge ko na 100 per program. Yan. So, yung walking, so 4 minuto. So, for part 3, yung aming walking therapy program.